the national capital there, grappling with the Delhi, with the outbreak of, the dengue menace. Now we'll go straight to Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister, who's right now currently speaking to the media. Let's quickly listen.
मुझे लगता है कि इससे घिनौनी हरकत नहीं हो सकती। इसको सरकार बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी और सारे ऑप्शंस, उसकी इंक्वायरी तो चली रही है लेकिन सारे ऑप्शंस एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं। अभी सरकार के पास ऑप्शन है उनका लाइसेंस रद्द कर देने का, उसको भी एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं। लेकिन इस वक्त डेंगू की स्थिति ऐसी है कि किसी भी अस्पताल का लाइसेंस रद्द कर देने से स्थिति और खराब होगी, तो हम वो नहीं चाहते। तो ये भी एक्सप्लोर किया जा रहा है कि अगले कुछ दिनों के अंदर विधानसभा का सत्र बुला के एक स्पेशल कानून लाया जाए जिसके तहत अगर कोई भी अस्पताल इस तरह की हरकत करता है, प्राइवेट अस्पताल या सरकारी अस्पताल, तो लाइसेंस कैंसिल करने के पहले और कई सारे कदम उठाने की पावर सरकार को मिले, उस पर पेनल्टी लगाने की, उसके ऊपर क्रिमिनल केस दर्ज करने की। और अगर अस्पताल नहीं सुनता तो सरकार उस अस्पताल के, प्राइवेट अस्पताल के मैनेजमेंट को कुछ दिनों के लिए क्या टेक ओवर कर सकती है जब तक इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन बनी हुई है। इन चीजों के ऊपर एक्सप्लोर किया जा रहा है। और फिर से मैं लोगों से यही अपील करूंगा कि बिल्कुल आप लोगों को दहशत में आने की जरूरत नहीं है। सरकारी अस्पताल में जाइए, फ्री में आपका टेस्ट होगा। सरकार ने टेस्ट कराने के भी उम्दा इंतजाम किए हुए हैं। आप सरकारी अस्पताल में जाइए, आपको पूरी तरह से
लगता है सर समय रहते तैयारियां नहीं हुई। आपको लगता है सरकारी अस्पतालों में इतने डेंगू केसेस अनुमान नहीं था, इतने केसेस हो जाएंगे, देर हो गई?
मैं ऐसा नहीं मानता।
मैं कह रहे थे कि एवरेज स्तर की तैयारी थी, क्योंकि रैंडम होता है काफी डेंगू का बढ़ना दिल्ली में, इस नाते उस तरह की तैयारी दिल्ली सरकार नहीं कर पाई। और क्या जो लाइसेंस खत्म करने की पावर दिल्ली सरकार के पास है या डीडीए के पास है? अभी
ठीक है, वो सवाल हो गया, एक बार उनको जवाब देने दीजिए, वो एक सवाल हो गया।
ऐसा मैं नहीं मानता, क्योंकि अचानक से जो मच्छरों का प्रकोप है वो पिछले हफ्ते भर के अंदर हम लोगों ने देखा कि सबसे ज्यादा हुआ है। तो सरकार की तैयारी नहीं थी ऐसा मैं नहीं कह सकता, बिकॉज जो आपने दो इंसिडेंट्स बताए हैं जिसमें एक प्राइवेट अस्पताल में गए फिर दूसरे प्राइवेट अस्पताल में गए, तो वो प्राइवेट अस्पताल वालों की गलती थी। तो उसको एक्सप्लोर किया जा रहा है कि अगर इस किस्म की हरकत कोई प्राइवेट अस्पताल करता है, ऐसा ना तो समाज इसको बर्दाश्त कर सकता है ना सरकार इसको बर्दाश्त कर सकती है, उनके ऊपर कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
प्लेटलेट्स कम होने की चीजें सामने आ रही हैं, सरकार कुछ आह्वान करेगी?
अभी जैसे मैंने इसी अस्पताल में मैंने पता किया, यहाँ पे कमी नहीं है, जीटीबी में काफी कमी थी वो बता रहे थे। तो एक मैं ये सबसे अपील करूंगा कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर आप ब्लड डोनेशन करें तो वो अच्छा रहेगा, उससे दूसरों को राहत मिलेगी। दूसरी चीज हमने ये भी ऑर्डर किया है कि डॉक्टर्स को, सरकारी अस्पतालों के सारे मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडेंट्स को हमने पावर दी है कि डॉक्टर्स की जरूरत हो तो वो किसी भी वॉक इन करे, मतलब बुला के और किसी भी डॉक्टर को नियुक्त कर सकते हैं, किसी भी प्राइवेट डॉक्टर को नियुक्त कर सकते हैं टेम्पोररी पीरियड जब तक ये डेंगू का प्रकोप है। तो डॉक्टर्स की और नर्सेज की भर्ती के लिए आपको कोई अभी प्रोसीजर फॉलो करने की जरूरत नहीं है। टेम्पोररी पीरियड के लिए आप वॉक इन बेसिस पे डॉक्टर्स की भर्ती कर
दिल्ली में विज्ञापन बड़े लगे हैं, एक ये विज्ञापन लगाना चाहिए,
लग रहे हैं वो भी सारा बना रहे हैं।
एमसीडी से कोई बातचीत नहीं है सफाई को लेकर, छिड़काव को लेकर, क्योंकि लाडो सराय में ऐसा कहना था कि कई दिनों तक एमसीडी के कर्मचारी आए नहीं, लेकिन घटना के बाद आने
लगे, भी नहीं हो पा रही प्रॉपर तरीके से,
मॉनिटरिंग हो रही विधानसभा में कि छिड़काव हो रहे हैं प्रॉपर की नहीं।
मुझे लगता है एमसीडी को भी अपना काम करना चाहिए। इस वक्त मैं राजनीति नहीं वो करना चाहता, तो एमसीडी भी करे अपना काम, हम भी अपना काम।
सर आप दोनों की लड़ाई में दिल्ली में
So amid mounting criticism, the Delhi Chief Minister there promising of taking strict action against all the hospitals who have been denying, admission of patients. Remember, the Chief Minister there making surprise checks at all hospitals amid mounting anger over the death of two young boys from dengue after they were denied treatment by several hospitals. This has been alleged by the parents of those children, especially the latest victim being that of Aman, who lost his life after he was denied admission by 4 hospitals. So the Chief Minister there now, getting into action, making surprise checks and taking hospitals to task if they are refusing admission of people who are suffering from dengue fever. As it is, the national capital has been, witnessing its worst outbreak of dengue. This is the worst that the capital has seen in the last 5 years. Extreme fogging measures are also being taken at different places in the city. The government there getting into action and trying to ensure that, there is proper preparedness and that all the hospitals are properly equipped to, tackle this recent spurt of cases, the dengue cases that the capital is witnessing. Most of the doctors leaves have also been cancelled in the wake of the massive outbreak. And as the dengue cases continue to rise, the Delhi government has stepped in. They have ordered all the schools in the capital also to ensure that children now wear full sleeves clothes. So that's an official order coming in from the Chief Minister's office, where schools have been directed to ensure that all the children come wearing full sleeve clothes for the next 1 month. This order is going to be applied to all schools across the national capital, be it the government schools, MCD, privately aided schools or unaided schools. The order says that children have to be dressed in full sleeve shirts, full pants and salwar kameez for the next 1 month as a precautionary and preventive measure to avoid mosquito bites in the wake of this deadly dengue outbreak. We just heard the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal addressing the press. There has been a lot of criticism and anger after the deaths of 2 young children as a result of negligence and, a callous attitude on part of some hospitals where these children were denied admission. So the Chief Minister there now coming out, cracking the whip, making surprise checks at most of these hospitals to ensure that there is, that these hospitals are fully equipped and they are properly prepared to tackle the menace of dengue. Ankit Tyagi joins us now. So Ankit, we just heard the Chief Minister, and we are also witnessing the Chief Minister now himself personally intervening in this matter, making all sorts of surprise checks, going and, visiting patients as well. But do you think, that will calm tempers?
Aam Aadmi Party government has received a lot of criticism as far as their handling of this entire dengue, scare is concerned. Now, Chief Minister trying to calm nerves, trying to tell people that the government is doing the best that it can. So he came out for this surprise visit. 2 hospitals Arvind Kejriwal visited in the East Delhi area. One was the GTB hospital. He went to the special ward that has been created for dengue patients, also met the medical superintendent of that hospital. From there, he came to the Hedgewar hospital in the Karkarduma area of East Delhi, where he again, along with the health minister, repeated the same drill. When he spoke to the media outside Avantika, he said that there is a need for strict action to be taken against hospitals, those who are turning away patients. He also said the government has increased 1,000 beds. They are making more arrangements if need be. They will also increase the number of beds further. He also said that the medical superintendents of hospitals, if they are facing any shortage of medical staff, be it doctors or nurses, they have been given full power right now to get doctors, to appoint doctors themselves. Doctors can walk into these hospitals and join in taking the permission from the medical superintendent. So the government in the firefighting mode as of now to somehow try and control this almost an epidemic that has dengue epidemic that has been plaguing the city. More than in 5 years, this has been the maximum number of cases reported, 1,900 cases so far in the national capital, with those deaths also, 2 young children because they were turned away from various hospitals have died.
Right.
So the government swinging into action. Okay. Also an order has been sent that all school children for the next 1 month will be wearing full sleeves shirts in this, to prevent this dengue scare.
Absolutely, Ankit. We are, in fact, we just told our viewers about this mandatory direction that has come from Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Manish Sisodia. In fact, this notice has come from the Chief Minister's office directory to all schools of Delhi to ensure that the children come dressed in full sleeve shirts for, the next 1 month as a precautionary measure. Anindya Banerjee, has been tracking this story quite closely. Anindya, you have been making several visits to hospitals in the last few days. Now, I just wanted to ask you that, okay, the deaths have clearly shaken the political establishment and the Delhi government, who have now swept into action and making all these surprise checks. But why did things get so out of control?
Well, Avantika, to be fair to the government and to be fair to the hospitals, let's face it that during this period, the end of August and the entire September, this is the period where dengue cases pick up, and that is how it has been all throughout. So that's why there has been a circular, there has been a warning issued by the Union Health Ministry to all health ministers of all the states. Be prepared as far as your infrastructure is concerned, as far as your medicines are concerned, because that is how it is going to be. One state may have a less amount of, be less affected, the other may be more affected, and it turns out to be that it's the national capital who is more affected than any other city at this point of time. Now talking about, I want to state one fact that the Delhi government has woken up lately, but it has woken up. It is doing whatever it can and doing fairly spectacular job in the last 24 to 48 hours. But had it done the same thing probably a bit earlier, crucial lives could have been saved. 2 young lives, one 6-year-old, one 7-year-old, turned away by very premium hospitals across this national capital, had to die untimely death. And also as we speak, what action is taken today on ground, as Ankit, one of my colleagues, was reporting from the ground zero, that it won't reflect overnight. It will take a bit of time. So very quickly, I just want to join one person who is here. Sir, आपके एक मरीज है यहाँ, उनका क्या दिक्कत है और अंदर का हालत बताइए.
अंदर के हालात तो बहुत खराब हैं सर.
कैसे हालत है? कितने हैं?
एक बेड पे ना कई पेशेंट हैं, किसी पे तो दो भी हैं. ठीक है, और अभी एडमिशन भी नहीं हुआ हमारे पेशेंट का. तो अभी तक नहीं हुआ? नहीं, बिल्कुल.
क्या बता रहे?
अभी तक तो क्या कोई टेस्ट भी नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है ना, डायग्नोज तो अभी यानी कि प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल से कराया था हमने, वहाँ डायग्नोज किया है कि.
So there you have it. A lot of patients are waiting in queue and trying to get it admitted, but that's not happening at this point of time because there's a lot of rush.
Okay, Anindu and Ankit, thank you both for joining us and getting us the very latest on the rapid increase of dengue cases that the capital is witnessing. We'll continue to get